My grandfather was born in Lebanon. This is him on the left. This is my grandmother. Both came to Brazil by boat, later got married, and had 10 children. One of them was my father. He studied medicine and became a medical doctor. Married my mother and had 3 children. My father loved his brothers and family. That's me when we lived in the United States, where my father specialized in critical care. Back to Brazil, he founded the Brazilian Society of Critical Care. These are most of his nephews. My father loved dogs. He became a well-known scientist, and at 68 he was at his peak when one day he asked me to go to the doctor with him. The doctor gave him 3 months, and that's how much he lived. I had the pleasure to spend these last moments close to him, and he was totally aware of his state. He decided the day and time he was sedated, had the opportunity to say goodbye to us, and made his last wish, to have the joke he usually recorded in his answering machine written in a photograph of him waving goodbye at the beach, taken before he found out about the disease, and distribute the photo to those who went to his funeral. Right after his death, I received a very nice email from his advisor in the United States. He was honored at a critical care meeting with the name of a room. My father always asked me what animal I wanted to be if I was not born a person. He always told me he wanted to be a bird.